Welcome to tutorial 30. In this tutorial I will cover the shell tool. So let's start with some sketch. Feature, extrude. Okay. The shell tool is a saving time tool, so it can be used instead of using the extrude cut, since it makes the walls for this block and cut inside this. So let's activate the shell and choose this face, and here we can choose the thickness of this shell. So okay, so now we have a ready box. We can edit again the feature, change to 20 or decrease to 2 millimeters. You can edit the feature, and here we can have a multi-thickness setting. So let's choose this one and this face and OK. So now we have a multiple thickness shell. Also, it can be applied on more complicated shapes. I have one part I made in the previous tutorial, so let's apply the shell and let's change to 5 millimeter, and let's choose this face. Okay. Now we have the shell applied on this shape. Also, it can be applied outside. So okay. And now we have the shell from outside this shape. So now I can close this tutorial about the shell tool.